So right now, as you can see, the head is doing the angled 30-degree cut. Now it's gonna come over, straighten back out, and we're gonna do the outer perimeter cut. There's still gonna be a little bit of an angle on it, about 15 degrees. As you can see, the head is kicked over right now.
Hi, I'm Steve Plumb, Editor-in-Chief of SME Media. We're here today in Greenville at the Manufacturing Technology Series Southeast with Ivan Kondeykin.
That's correct.
Regional Sales Manager for Omax.
That is correct.
So thanks for joining us. We have a new piece of equipment was launched at FabTech actually, the Maxiem 1530X.
That is correct.
So this is the third generation water jet. What's new and improved?
Yeah, basically we took our 2nd-Gen and kind of gone through, spoke to a lot of our customers, a lot of our users, and basically asked them, hey, what can we do better? What can we improve? You know, serviceability of the machine, reliability of the machine. So we did a whole bunch of new things. Obviously, we changed colors. It looks a little different. We've gone away with the red and made it more similar looking to our Optimax.
Yeah, matches your sweater.
Yeah, there you go. But yeah, really, we took some of the features of our flagship Optimax machine and added them to the to the Maxiem 1530X. It now comes with premium software with improved cutting speeds. Which is obviously very important. You can make your parts faster. We have our brand new 5-axis VersaJet on this as well. It gives you 5-axis cutting capabilities, beveled holes, angled cuts, things like that. We've added our brand new clog detection system. One of the pain points of a lot of the abrasive water jet users are clogs. Now we can detect those clogs and stop the machine, so we're not wasting material and the abrasive and things like that.
Talk a little bit about the pros and cons of a water jet versus a laser.
Yeah, water jet is a significantly more versatile tool than a laser. You're not limited to, just metals and certain thicknesses. Water jet can cut any material out there except for tempered glass. So, we got customers cutting, obviously a lot of metal cutting customers, but also decorative stone, composites, carbon fiber, phenolic, G10. So it's a true Swiss Army knife of the machining world.
So what's been the reaction from attendees here at the show?
It's been great. People really love all the new features. It's quite a jump forward. The software, the clog detection system, the 5-axis heads. Yeah, it's been great reaction. We're hoping to be really busy and.
All right, well, let's take a look and see how it runs.
Absolutely. Yeah, so we just started the cut. We're gonna do a little bit of 5-axis cutting. We're making these aluminum tweezers with angles on them. So right now, as you can see, the head is doing the angled 30-degree cut. Now it's gonna come over, straighten back out, and we're gonna do the outer perimeter cut. There's still gonna be a little bit of an angle on it, about 15 degrees. As you can see, the head is kicked over right now. But yeah, right now it's doing the perimeter cut. One of the beauties of our machine is we have a rapid water level control, which allows me to cut underwater. So I'm gonna go ahead and submerge the piece. And as you can hear, it got quieter. Any kind of spray will be absorbed by the water. And there's no dust, no steam.
Is that the main benefit? No spray or limited spray and noise?
No, that's just one of the benefits. We like, a lot of our customers like the rapid water level control system. It allows, to keep their shop cleaner, to keep their operators safer, and it's just generally quieter.
So why wouldn't you always go underwater then? Faster if you above?
No. Some people like to see and hear the jet. Not all other companies that make water jets have this capability as well. Yeah, it really comes down to a preference.
So how complex of a part is this?
This one is relatively simple, I would say. I am a little biased. I've been doing it for a long time. But I would say this is a fairly simple part. It's a small part, which is also easy. We got folks cutting humongous pieces, right? So now you have the handling and things like that involved. Yeah, but this one's pretty quick, and even though it's a small part, it still has quite a bit of cutting. Um, Granted, there are, I think, 5 of these or 6 of these. There's 308 inches of actual cut line because, when you look at it, it's tiny, right? But you got to do all of these little details on the inside and outside, so it definitely adds up. We probably got about 30 seconds left on this one. We're going to pull it out and actually take a look at it.
So much new training involved with the new equipment?
We provide the training. Our equipment is very user-friendly. The software is very user-friendly, very easy to learn. So we provide training on site after the machine installation, as well as we provide training at our facility. It's a 1-week course where customers would send their operators, their programmers, their maintenance folks, and we teach them what I like to call from zero to hero. How to turn it on, how to load parts, how to program parts, and then the last day and a half is maintenance. And with select options or select machines that we offer, you get lifetime training at our facility. So whenever you hire a new guy, send him our way and we'll train him up.
What's the suggested maintenance schedule for those?
Really depends, but it's all based on hours. 1,000-hour pump rebuilds, 500 to 1,000-hour nozzle rebuilds. So there are a couple of things. Everything's listed out, usually with a machine manual, but it's really going to depend on options and features that the customer purchases for their machine.